Okay. Dance for me, girl. Woo! Look at that. She's all glowed out in her bracelets and her necklace. It's like a techno party. Don't da da don't da don't. Say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
100% file a big air balloon. Well, your hippie husband will be thrilled.
Yes. How do you feel about that, hippie husband?
Fine.
Hippie husband. That's you, hippie husband. You make that your your username on YouTube.
It doesn't really matter what we do as Americans because our footprint's so small compared to China and India, which do about 100 times worse environmental damage than we do.
Well, we're going. I think you gotta light this thing.
What you got there?
A lantern.
A lantern? What are we gonna do with that lantern?
We're gonna let this on fire.
Ooh.
Then it'll float.
And it'll float like, what movie is it that you saw that in? Is it Tangled?
Yes.
Are we gonna show the princess that we're still thinking of her?
Yes.
Alright guys. How many do we have ready?
All 4 of them.
Alright, let's do this. Come on. Be careful, it's hot.
Oh.
Right? Oh, fuck, we're almost on a mattress. Quickly! Okay, I'm just kidding. Yeah. Have a hold of it? Rapunzel, Rapunzel, come home! This one has a little hole in it too.
Yeah. But we'll go.
No, I'm fine.
You guys ever seen James and the Giant Peach?
Mm-hmm.
I'd like to make one out of McDonald's bag. Wouldn't that be cool?
Yeah, not like that. See.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes.
There went mine.
There goes Hunter's. Yay!
It's under. I'm under. I'm under it. Look, I can see the fire.
Woo! It's so dangerous. We're in so much trouble. Our neighbor's gonna fucking kill us. There's strays! Okay, it went up.
Look. I'm taking it easy. Can I do this one? I want to do another one.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Yay!
no,
Woo! It's awesome! Beautiful!
Those
Trees and lands on the neighbor's roof. Yeah, it'll... Hey, you know what? How about... I hope you have really good insurance. It'll still be a beautiful story. Come here, Hunter. Here. Hold this side. Pick it up off the ground. Hold this side. Here. Try this way. See if I can...
You're out.
One match left. I think that first one was just a dud because it was a different brand.
Take it.
Cool.
Nice, perfect. Just drop it, it don't matter.
Here you go. Okay.
Oh,
Hang on. I'm gonna let go of it and I'll turn it over. Ready? Let go. Okay, now you guys can get it.
Grab it, ready?
Okay.
Yeah. Can we hold it?
Yep, and so it's ready to go. So it fills up.
Oh. Then can we still hold it when it's filled?
Nope,
Yeah,
you gotta
let it
go
fill
'cause
up
it's gonna-
all the way and then we gotta let it go so it doesn't get too hot.
Whoa.
Is it good? Okay, let it go.
Let go.
See. Woo!
We
That's right. Come home. We miss you.
We miss you.
Oh, this one's pretty. It's nice and slow. Oh,
Uh-oh.
no, and there it goes.
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
my truck. No. Oh, shit. Run.
It's going to...
Are you catching it? Are you catching it? Try that again.
Hope it works this time.
Now it's gonna go right. Anna, now you can say Rapunzel, come home.
Oh, it's out of our hands. Just go away. Just turn around. Walk away.
You will, just after I get it lit.
Come help Ashley and Martine light this thing. You guys ready to get it sent off?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Oh, really?
This one's a scary one because we got some holes tearing in it and the actual frame was completely busted off the
Totally
lantern. So
Are you going to turn this one over? Ready?
we have some packing tape. We're hoping that the flame is actually going to allow it to float. We went a little bit further out to make sure that we're not going to start somebody's house on fire.
Okay, ready? Oh. Well, it's getting hot up here.
Okay.
All right. Let go.
Oh, Rapunzel.
Nope.
Nope, whoop, whoop. At least we're not next to somebody's house this
No,
time.
Nana, get away. It's the flame. Martine, you're taller than me. Chase it down. It's going. I just don't think it's going to go very well.
Go, Martine, go.
No,
This
it's not gonna work.
Now how are we going to put it out? We didn't bring anything.
Watch out.
I got a beer.
You have to let it flow.